Hello y'all, how y'all doing? It is another day of the vlog. I'm picking you guys up really late. This is around 2 o'clock right now. I'm going somewhere. I've not been doing anything all day today, so I cleaned up my house, done good stuff today, done some house cleaning on a Sunday. I forgot to tell you guys, it is a Sunday. It's been a very busy weekend. This week, Friday, we went to a crawfish festival here in San Antonio. And yesterday we went to a friend's birthday party, and today I have a friend's birthday party, so it's mommy time. Friday and Saturday was the kids and family time, but it is mommy time today. Okay, so I'm trying to get ready right now, go shower, get my life together, look cute. It's gonna be more of a get ready with me vlog kind of situation. I'm gonna take you guys along to where I'm going also, so you guys will just see me, in a little bit of fun. It's not gonna be like a rah-rah thingy. It's a nice dinner, all white, nice dinner situation going on. So that's where I'm going. So I'm gonna go shower, wash all of this, okay, and then do makeup, do hair, get dressed. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I need to do, everything that I'm doing, okay? So I think I want to wear this wig. It's an all white party, and I think this wig will go well with it. So this is the wig I'm gonna put on. And what you say?
Could I have my computer?
Are you done eating your food?
Yes.
You sure? Did you eat more? You only ate one slice.
I ate one slice.
Do you want more slices?
No.
You sure?
No.
All right. Go ask your daddy if you can get your computer.
Okay.
All right. Kids, okay. So yeah, I was talking to my son real quick. I'm gonna go share with my behind. Get cute. You'll see your girl been rocking a bonnets and a robe all day. So I'm gonna go get cute real quick. I'll show you guys the process. So yeah. Y'all can see the whole time. The whole time. Okay. I'll pick y'all up when I'm done showering, lay my wigs and all that good stuff. So all right, let's get going. I didn't think I was that fake, but okay. Your girl's done showering, and it's 3:29. I only have about 20 minutes 20 minutes to get my face done, put my clothes on, and be out of this house. Point blank period. All right guys, let me go ahead and get my face done. I have to turn on my heater, my AC. I said heater. So yeah. Okay y'all, I think y'all crooked at this point actually. I am on my way. The dinner starts at 5. I'm supposed to be at, let me turn this down. I'm supposed to be at my friend's house to pick her up at 4 o'clock. I think the place is about 30 minutes away from us. So, let me fix your mirror. Okay. So at this point, it is 4:34 and your girl just left her house. I had to cut you guys off because the time was gone. And I don't want to be extra late, but I think I'm cute. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit and everything once we get there. I'm just scared. I'm in white and with makeup and food. I already got it stained, my shirt stained. So, and I don't have hand lotion and my hand is ashy. My hand is very, very ashy. Oh, I don't even think I put my driver's license in my bag. Yep. I took all the cards in my wallet, but my driver's license. So that's that. So should I go through here or should I go through? Let me go through here. So all right, guys, your girl is just all over the place. Oh, wrong place I took. See, when you're in a rush, you just be doing some stupid stuff. Okay, I could go now. I took the wrong place, but I'm still good. I'm still good. So, anywho, always be tough. Talk about your life. Look at the irony. Gonna beg you for a side. Twisted though. I know the kids sassy. That shit is not healthy. It is what it is. My liver. Bye. Oh God. That was my friend asking where my behind is, and I'll be there in like 10 minutes though. I'm almost at her house. In a Maserati. Edgy baby easy. Fine boy like Weezy. You want to kiss somebody, but a sweet melody. Somebody oh Jojuma la shaye oh ah. I'm back home. I know I didn't show you guys my outfit, but it's cute. I'm gonna put a picture up here from Fashion Nova. I'll put a picture of what it looks like right here for you guys to see. But I just wasn't feeling to take pictures today. That's one of the reasons why I really didn't take a picture, and I totally forgot when I got home to show you guys what I had on. As you guys can see, I already changed. Yeah. Top of my sink. You know, my husband probably gonna see it before I left and be like, why did this woman mess this whole place up? Yep, she sure did. She sure did. I spent, the place is called Chamachanga Brazilian Steakhouse. I don't know if people have it all around or if it's only for the South. It's here in San Antonio. They are pretty good, pretty decent and all that good stuff. My total was $59.75, and then they have a mandatory gratuity, and it was $10. I think it was 30%. No, it was 13%, or something like that. And my total came out to $69.69. So it wasn't bad. It wasn't a bad day. I need to scan my receipts. You guys need to start scanning your receipts on Fetch Reward. I'll put my my information right here. If you guys use my code, you get 2,000 points immediately once you sign up. So if you want, I'll put my code right there on the screen for you guys. And all you have to do is just scan any receipt. Any receipt, any amount of money. For every receipt, you get 25 points. And if they're doing specials, they have other ones that will give you more points. Because I've literally scanned my receipt, one of my receipt one day, and I got 1,000 points. So yeah, you guys should check that out. I need to clear this bag out and get my purse, my work purse, ready for tomorrow. Okay, y'all, my battery died and I don't feel like going upstairs to go get me a new battery. So I'm just gonna conclude this on my phone. So I showered, as you guys can see, did my facial routine and all that good stuff tonight. So I'm just changing my purse back to work mode. As y'all know, work starts tomorrow. Okay. Rest of the skin. Oof. Get into the skin, baby. Get into it. Just get into it. Just get into it. Ooh, the skin is on points. Ooh, get into just look. Ooh, the skin is popping, 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 popping. I've been on my facial routine really good lately, and that rose hip thingy is doing good for your girl. But anywho, guys, let me let y'all go. Thank y'all so much for spending the few hours of the day with me. I do appreciate you guys. Hopefully you guys like this kind of video, and I'll definitely pop it up for you. Any day I have something to do, I'll just bring you guys along with me so you guys can be a little bit into my life. Alright, y'all, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back.